In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Jugg edit on Capcut. Jugg editing is all about creating dynamic and engaging content by playing with speed and effects, resulting in eye-catching videos. So let's dive in and unleash some creativity with Capcut. First, we'll begin by opening Capcut on your device. Once you have the app running, you'll want to start a new project. This is easily done by tapping on the option that says New Project. Starting with a blank slate lets you craft your video exactly the way you want it without any initial constraints. Now you'll need some video clips ready. Import the video clips you want to edit into your new project by selecting the clips from your device's storage. This might take a little while depending on the size of your files, but Capcut handles quite a range of formats and sizes efficiently, so you should be set up in no time. Next comes the fun part, adding velocity effects. This part of the editing process really brings out the characteristic Jugg edit style. Begin by tapping on a clip within your timeline. Here you'll see various tools available, but for our purpose, select speed. After that, choose curve. You'll see a number of options pop up, but we'll focus on maximizing the editing potential by selecting custom. The custom option allows you to play with speed ramps, which are essential for a good Jugg edit. You'll want to mimic a fast, slow, fast motion, creating an abstract rhythm with the visuals. Play around by dragging points along the curve to adjust the speed of different sections of your clip. It might take some tweaks until you get the desired acceleration and deceleration, but hang in there, it's worth perfecting. To further enhance the dynamic nature of your Jugg edit, incorporate some shake and glitch effects. These visuals can give your video just the right amount of punch. Navigate over to effects and then select video effects. Within the effects menu, consider using options like shake, VHS or glitch. These effects add a raw, energetic feel to your video and are quite popular in Jugg edits. Try each one to see what complements your video best, and remember that subtlety can often be more impactful than overdoing it. Each effect can be adjusted to suit your creative vision, so don't hesitate to experiment with their intensity and duration. Finally, once you're satisfied with the look and feel of your video, it's time to export your project. Tap export and then choose your desired resolution and frame rate. Higher resolutions and frame rates tend to yield smoother results, but may take more space. Once you've selected your preferences, your beautifully edited Jugg video is ready to share with the world. Enjoy your new creation and get ready for it to captivate your audience.